Imagine you're about to make a significant deposit into your bank account. You're confident in the institution, right? But what if you're wrong? What if the bank you trust suddenly collapses, leaving you with nothing? It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? Today, we're going to dive deep into one specific bank, EverBank. Is it a stable institution? Can you trust your hard-earned money with them? Let's find out. Understanding EverBank. EverBank is a relatively young bank, founded in 1998. It's known for offering a wide range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and loans. Over the years, EverBank has gained a reputation for its online-only approach and competitive interest rates. Financial stability indicators. When evaluating a bank's stability, there are several key indicators to consider. Capital adequacy. This refers to the amount of capital a bank holds relative to its assets. A well-capitalized bank is better equipped to absorb losses and remain financially sound. Asset quality. This refers to the quality of the loans and investments a bank holds. A bank with a high percentage of non-performing loans is more likely to face financial difficulties. Liquidity. This refers to a bank's ability to meet its short-term obligations. A bank with sufficient liquidity can easily cover its expenses and withdraw funds as needed. Earnings. A bank's profitability is a good indicator of its overall financial health. A bank that generates consistent profits is more likely to be stable. Examining EverBank's financial health. Let's take a closer look at how EverBank stacks up in terms of these financial stability indicators. Capital adequacy. EverBank has consistently maintained strong capital adequacy ratios. This means the bank has a sufficient cushion to absorb losses and remain financially sound. Asset quality. EverBank has a relatively low percentage of non-performing loans. This indicates that the bank's loan portfolio is of high quality. Liquidity. EverBank has a solid liquidity position. This means the bank has sufficient cash and other liquid assets to meet its short-term obligations. Earnings. EverBank has a history of consistent profitability. The bank has generated steady earnings over the years, which is a positive sign for its financial stability. Regulatory oversight. In addition to these financial indicators, it's important to consider the regulatory oversight that banks are subject to. EverBank is regulated by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. Customer reviews and complaints. While financial indicators are important, it's also helpful to consider customer reviews and complaints. Online forums and review websites can provide valuable insights into a bank's customer service and overall satisfaction. Based on the information available, EverBank appears to be a stable bank. The bank has a strong financial foundation, a solid track record, and is subject to rigorous regulatory oversight. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your individual needs and risk tolerance before making a decision. If you're considering opening an account with EverBank, I encourage you to visit their website or contact their customer service department to learn more about their products and services. You can also check online reviews and forums to see what other customers have to say about their experience with the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.